Many of you guys have been commenting, Josh, what is inside your computer? What specs do you have on your PC? And my answer to these questions is, watch this video to find out. Hey Sushi and welcome back to another video, and today in this video guys, I'm going to be giving you guys an in-depth look of everything which is in my PC. Before we start, I'd just like to remind you guys that I do have a second channel which I put gaming Fortnite content on, so make sure to check it out if you are interested. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. The first component which I like to talk about is my new CPU which I just bought, which is the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. For my time using it, the CPU has been a complete beast, giving me all the performance I need when streaming and video editing. Currently, I have not overclocked it, but I am planning on doing so in the near future. Next, let's move on to the powerhouse of my graphics, the GPU. The graphics card which I have in my computer is the GTX 1080, and as I play a lot of games, I need to know that my GPU can handle anything I throw at it. With 8GB of VRAM, I think it is safe to say that I won't be dropping frames anytime soon. The next component I have in my computer is my RAM, and currently I have 16GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3200MHz. For the streaming and recording I do, this is perfect. If I ever need to have any extra programs open, I can do this, and I think it's safe to handle them. Another cool thing about this RAM is that it lights up. I mean, look at it, it's amazing. Finally, the last main component in my PC is my motherboard, which is the Asus ROG Crosshair 7. This motherboard is an absolute beast. It has overclocking support, great back I/O, and many more amazing features. And I nearly forgot, it also has RGB. Like, what more could you ask for? For storage, I have a 1TB hard drive for all my video work, and I have a 500GB SSD for all my games. Currently, this is enough for what I need. However, in the future, I may upgrade to 2 or even 4TB. As for power, I am currently rocking a Be Quiet 750W semi-modular power supply. This is great as it fits all my requirements, and the cables look clean and amazing. For cooling, I have these cheap RGB fans which do the job nicely. While they are cheap, they do perform nicely, keeping my PC cool and quiet. If you want to know exactly how good they are, a review will be coming onto the channel soon for you guys. Finally, the case I have is the Aerocool Cylon Tempered Glass RGB in white. Just like my fans, this cape is cheap, but it certainly performs well. Looks great with the integrated RGB on the front. The cable management room around the back is also great, and the airflow is amazing. In conclusion, my PC is pretty high end. Just before I end off, I'd like to say that I had to work for all of this, and I put most of my savings, or if not all of my savings, into my computer. I just thought I'd let you know that it was not given to me for free, and that I don't want you guys to think I'm spoiled. That just about wraps up this video guys, and if you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, or if you just haven't already, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Comment down below what specs are in your PC, and I'll see you all in the next one. See ya!